channel for the visual-minded, the common man, and for those who are about to rock, or have been doing so for quite some time, from time to time already.
The same shotgun I built for the tutorial many years ago now.
Hello, my name is Gerd Andersen and I'm a professional cinematographer and prop maker. I also do set carpentry, which requires me to know my way around tools.
Yes, Prime Minister knows his way around tools. Yes, splendid old chap, yes, good riddance.
And in my profession there's a lot of sudden changes, deadlines, screaming, and you really have to be fast. So it really comes in handy for me to have a compact, cordless toolkit, of course. And today I'm gonna go over the new 10.8 or 12 volt max in the US brushless angle grinder. And as you can see, it's a fairly small, compact unit. Like most of Bosch's tools, they are okay to grip, not perfect, but this one's nice. It's also very easy to use. When you are to install your cutoff blade or whatever, you can just push this up and this locks the arbor. And if you turn on the machine now with this on, it's not gonna do anything because it's disconnected. So back down when you're ready and you can just go. It's very quiet. Yes, really good. The switch, you can just use it like it is, like this, push it up and it releases itself. But if you do this, it will stay on. The guard, yes, we're gonna call it the guard. The guard, of course it's the guard. You have this, you can just rotate. It stops at, I don't know how many degrees. Little less than 180 degrees when you rotate this. Just keep in mind that this is a free spinning blade. It's very fast, it's fast! And you can easily just mangle your fingers. It's not so cool to cut off your fingers. It's not cool. Some people might say it's cool, but they don't know what they're talking about.
Now, it comes as a bare tool with an L-box. Instructions included, which I recommend reading the Dutch pages, just for fun. There are 2 stainless steel cutting discs, 76mm, and 1 carbide blade for wood, PVC and composites, also 76mm. The tool itself has a EC brushless motor from Bosch, electronic motor protection to prevent overload, and a staggering 19,500 RPMs. Whoa! This is also, according to Bosch, the world's first professional grade 12 volt angle grinder. Now you can all feel free to just take a look on the specs here on the left. I'm gonna take a short nap now. Now it's time to put this to the test. I've chosen some common everyday obstacles, if you will, starting with screws. Tom screws. Not funny at all. I tried cutting through some 2mm thick sheet metal, but that was just way too time consuming. So my 12-volt jigsaw does this job way faster. It goes without saying that comparing this to an 18-volt would not be fair at all. But for a 12-volt tool, it performs very good. The carbide blade is a game changer though. It's rated to cut through wood, laminates, PVC and composites. And it performs like a dream when cutting into wood. Definitely something I find appealing in my line of work. So, I must praise this tool for its compactness and versatility. It's not the fastest tool for cutting metal, but it gets the job done. The carbide blade is my personal favorite amongst the cutting wheels. Bosch also makes blades for cutting tiles and concrete, which I'm a little disappointed they did not include in this kit. The runtime seems pretty good, though I did not put it to the test. And I would recommend this tool for plumbers maybe, working in tight spaces, woodworkers, and anyone doing light-duty metalworking. It certainly is a very good tool for me and what I do.
That's all for this time. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please just post them down below. Make me really happy, Morty! What is it, Morty? Please subscribe, Morty!
Strawberries, yes, one of the eldest of the berries, yes. Can be the Duke of Hemsworth? Yes, Prime Minister. I must regret to say that I will not be able to attend the party. You see, they put me on hold.